Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Sweet with a slight tart hint, this passion fruit lemonade will be the best drink you have this summer. Of course, lemonade is the most obvious choice, but there are also other creative, colorful, and smart ways to work fruit into your glass this summer. As different fruits come into season, adding passion fruit flavor to your lemonade is easy, sophisticated, and undeniably pretty. Also, like any good relationship, lemon and herbs bring out the best in each other. Do you agree? Just about any herb you can think of would make a lovely and easy addition to your lemonade. Summer is in full swing, and what better way to cool down than with passion fruit lemonade? Take your lemonade to the next level with this simply delicious passion fruit lemonade refreshing drink. The perfect refreshing answer for the hot summer, bursting with bright passion fruit flavor. That is Cooking Simply Delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.